Today we are using the long tail cast on with this Knitwerks Wool of the Andes yarn. We are going to take the yarn and we are going to pull a length of it that is at least double the stitches we want, if not triple, to make it longer rather than shorter. I'm using size 5 US Knitpicks option circular needles. You're going to put the needle in between the two sections of yarn. You're going to grab it with your thumb and your forefinger. And again, grab the yarn on your thumb, grab the yarn on your index finger and pull it through. Make sure that loop is not too tight or too loose. You want it to be stretchy. This is a stretchy cast on. Again, so we are grabbing the yarn under the thumb, grabbing the yarn that's being held by the index finger, and we are tightening the loop around the needle. Watch this as many times as you need. This is the long tail cast on, and this is used to make my super simple winter hat. The next video will be knitting in the round. Enjoy.